The courtroom went silent when the store manager pointed his finger and called him a washed-up nobody. Frank Walker, 58, sat quietly in the back of the small-town courtroom. To most people in Bayport, he was just another old man living off a modest pension. He worked part-time at the docks, stacking crates and sweeping floors, never boasting about the medals gathering dust in his attic. Years ago, Frank was a decorated army sergeant who led rescue missions in war zones. He'd seen chaos, felt the sting of loss, and learned that real strength didn't need an audience. But in this sleepy coastal town, no one cared. They saw only his weathered face and old work boots. One rainy evening, as he clocked out from the dock, Frank heard a scream, high and panicked. The cargo crane above had malfunctioned, sending a steel container swinging wildly toward a group of dockworkers pinned near the edge. The storm winds howled, metal groaned, and time slowed. Frank's instincts kicked in. He sprinted across the slick concrete, heart pounding, boots slapping in rhythm with the storm's roar. Grabbing a loose rope, he leapt onto the crane's maintenance ladder, climbing fast despite the biting rain. His hands burned against the steel as he yanked the emergency brake. The container shuddered, then stopped inches from crushing the men below. They stared at him, stunned, as the rain poured down their faces. One man whispered, "You just saved us." A week later, Frank's heroics barely made the local paper. Worse, the store manager from the dockside supply shop, who claimed Frank had damaged company property during the rescue, filed a complaint. Now here he was, in court, listening to insults. The manager called him reckless and demanded he pay damages. No one from the Dockworkers crew showed up to defend him. Just as the judge was about to rule, a young attorney walked in, drenched from the rain, holding a phone. "Your Honor," she said, "we have video evidence." It was security footage showing the container moments before it would have killed 3 men. The room fell into stunned silence. The judge dismissed the case immediately, staring at Frank with something almost like respect. The store manager lowered his head, avoiding his eyes. Outside, 2 of the saved dockworkers finally shook Frank's hand. Then share your thoughts in the comments, but no one liked or subscribed the soldier.